Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present the topic database migration with RosettaDB. And the case study will be migrating your Microsoft SQL Server database to Snowflake. Companies today face lots of challenges when they want to move their databases to the cloud or when they want to create their data warehouses in Snowflake, BigQuery, or other data platforms. There are lots of solutions offered out there, but none of these solutions do provide us an end-to-end solution. Almost in every tool that you try, you will need to do lots of manual work, and engineers spend lots of time while migrating their databases. So therefore, today we present RosettaDB, which is an open source declarative database modeler and acts as a DDL transpiler, is capable of translating from one database to another database the schema and migrating the schema. RosettaDB also acts as a DBT modeler. Data engineers can use RosettaDB as a database testing toolkit to test the quality of their data on various databases. And RosettaDB fits great with CI/CD-like solutions in order to have automations in managing your databases, migrating schemas, or migrating from one database to another. For more details related to RosettaDB, I would recommend you go ahead and visit the GitHub website of Rosetta. And here you can find the documentation under README. You can find how to get started, set up, download the most recent version of Rosetta, and start using all the capabilities of RosettaDB. I have already set up a project in my machine, and I have set up two connections. Everything, my Rosetta binary is downloaded here, so I can start to use Rosetta commands. The two connections that we are going to use now are a Microsoft SQL Server database, a Snowflake database. So this is only a main.conf example file, and in main.conf, this file, I have the real configuration. So let's start with the first command of Rosetta, which is Rosetta extract source Microsoft SQL. This is going to connect to our Microsoft SQL database and extract the schema and generate for us a directory which has inside a model.yaml. This YAML file has all the details related to our Microsoft SQL database, including tables, columns, and all other constraints. If we want to extract the same schema and at the same time translate it to a target database, which in our case is Snowflake, we can run the same command, but with an additional property, which is now target, and we specify that the target is Snowflake. This command will extract the schema from Microsoft SQL Server, and as a second step, it will convert the same schema, the same model, to a Snowflake. So now we have two models, and under the directory Snowflake, this is a translated model which is ready to be used for Snowflake. We can review this, we can check if everything fits to our needs, we can apply additional changes if we want, but if everything is good and we want to migrate all these tables to Snowflake, we can simply go ahead and run Rosetta apply command with a source, and in our case, Snowflake. Rosetta now will take this schema, validate it, generate a DDL, connect to Snowflake, and create all these schemas for us. So we can see while this is running here, some additional directories got created. So the command finished successfully. An apply directory got created under Snowflake. And here we can see the DDL that Rosetta generated and all the constraints that it created, all the tables, data types, and columns that it created. It also took a snapshot of the current version. At the moment in Snowflake, we have nothing, we have no tables. So it was supposed to create everything. Let's go to Snowflake and check this out. I'm already connected to Snowflake, so let me hit just show tables. And here we can see that just at this moment, all the tables got created and everything was migrated with the help of RosettaDB. So thank you for watching. In the part 2 of this video, we are going to present on how we can migrate data on the tables from the Microsoft SQL Server to Snowflake. Thank you.